Okay, real talk, what if saving $500 a month had nothing to do with skipping your latte? Nothing to do with never eating out again? Or living like some finance monk in a cave? Here's the truth, most people don't have an income problem. They have a flow problem. Fix that, and saving gets stupid easy. Let's get into it. Pay yourself first. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes, they save whatever's left over at the end of the month. Sound familiar? Problem is, there's never anything left. So flip it. The second your paycheck lands, move money to savings. Same day. No exceptions. Set up an automatic transfer if you can, even a small one. Why? Because you can't miss money you never even see. Out of sight, out of spending. Hunt down the invisible leaks. Budgets rarely blow up from one big purchase. It's death by 1,000 cuts. A food delivery here. A forgotten subscription there. A quick coffee run. None of it feels like much in the moment. But added up over a month? That's real money quietly walking out the door. So here's your challenge, track every single dollar for 1 week. Just one. I promise you'll find at least one habit that's costing way more than you think. Make saving automatic, take the thinking out of it completely. Got a bonus? A tax refund? Sold your old couch on Facebook Marketplace? Send a chunk straight to savings before your brain even gets a vote. Let me tell you something real quick. I used to promise myself I'd save whatever's left each month. You know what that number almost always was? 0. Then I switched to automatic transfers on payday. Barely felt it at first. A few months later, I checked my savings account and there it was. A real cushion. And I hadn't given up a single thing I loved. Here's the truth nobody tells you, saving $500 a month isn't about being perfect. It's about building a system that still works when life gets messy, because it always does. Small moves, repeated month after month, turn into thousands down the line. If this helped you even a little, hit subscribe, I've got more of this coming. And I want to know, what's the one expense you think is quietly draining your bank account right now? Drop it in the comments.